Hey guys, welcome back to the Whitefish Wizard channel. Taking a different approach here with a video because well, you know, it's basically summer today, right? So yeah, there's no ice, dude. There's no ice, and what ice we have sucks. But yeah, so the exhaust is snapped off my truck, if you can't tell. And I got something here in the back. I don't know what it is, but you might find out here shortly. I don't know if I talked about this thing or not before, but this is a 0559 Cummins, single axle, two-wheel drive. I bought it off a guy in Montreal, or it's Quebec, I think, somewhere Quebec, Hawthorne or Hawkesbury, or anyway. I bought it like 7 years ago. The guy I bought it off was 87 years old and the original owner. So it's original paint, thing's mint, boy, mint. And I almost sold it like 3 times, but every time I get cold feet. And yeah, I decided I ain't selling this thing no more. So she needs to get a little bit fixed up here, and that's what we're gonna do. Socket. Not much, just sitting around the corner here.
Where?
I'm hiding away out in the bulrushes. Yeah, you're on the YouTube. Say hi to the YouTubes, Richard.
What's up, everybody?
It's the truck wizard.
The truck bastard.
Huh?
The truck master.
Oh, I thought you said the truck bastard. I was gonna say you're that too, probably. All right. Yeah. So what? Should I head over or what?
Yeah, head over now.
Okay, I'll be there in 30 seconds.
Okay.
You'll hear me.
Yeah, I bet.
Hear that or no?
Yeah.
Oh, there she be, boy.
I did just hear that.
Well, I hope so. It's fucking straight turbo, 4 feet of pipe
Was
here.
that a dust cloud you just left over there?
Well, maybe. Okay, I'll see you in a sec.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Richard! How many cigarettes?
100.
100? Stressing?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is my buddy Kyle here.
What's going on, boys?
He's gonna be a dad on Monday for the first time.
You got the dad van.
Dad van. Gotta put some 30s on it. I know, eh? Well, you're the fucking wizard.
That's what I should make my new channel, the Truck Wizard.
Carlo's gonna make a YouTube, Truck Wizard. Oh, that's mint. I'm gonna drain the oil so fast here. What do we have here? I gotta show them what really matters. Look at this. Look, 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 look. The wizard was here. How's your toolbox?
Pretty good.
Holy shit.
Fully stocked.
Money bag.
Oh, buddy.
Well, it probably helps that she was just fooling for an hour on the way here.
Yeah.
Are you even on the nut or what?
It's got 100 fucking threads, bud.
Holy shit. We're putting a 1-inch Prius exhaust on this as per Kieran's recommendations.
Here we go. Oh, she's being a bitch. There you go.
As Mutter would say, make a long arm. Got a filter. It's a little haggard though, because I threw an exhaust box right on top of it. But I go there, right, and the guy's like, oh, it's Canadian Tires. You spent over $100 today. You get 20 back. I'm like, that's mint. So then I go, I got like 60 bucks in Canadian Tire money. I'm like, sure, pal, I'll spend it. And then he goes, oh, well, you used your money up, so you don't get the 20 now. You got $3. I said, why didn't you tell me that? I would have just fucking... So I stole a Mars bar off the counter and walked out. Joke's on you, bud. I didn't get synthetic though, because it's not on sale, but that's okay, because I didn't run the jug of synthetic I got already. Oh, you got cookies? I wouldn't mind a cookie.
That's it. It's just there, and it just slide right out.
Oh, this is mint. In the trenches. Okay. Oh, this is mint for the old back.
Let's get this out first, because I don't want to get covered in oil while I'm trying to pull this out.
All right, well, give her. Holy fuck, it's right up in there.
It's stuck on the fucking turbo. Watch, it doesn't fall on your head.
How hot is it?
Probably fucking hot.
Cause I was gonna say, like, if I could grab it right here.
I got gloves. You got gloves?
It's actually not that hot. There you go. Beat her! It's like hung up there. It's off.
Hold on. I might have to unbolt those two bolts because it's hitting the...
What if I twist it like? I can't. Well, I'm holding this fucking thing here. Hold on.
It's hitting the tranny dipstick and the fucking...
What if I try to twist
firewall. It's almost there. Hold on. There you go.
It's a little easier when the pipe's cut down the middle. Bo Bandy.
There you go. That's your down.
Straight to the scrapyard. That's all that was on the fucking turbo, dude. This thing was so stupid loud, you have no friggin' idea. You know why? Because it's all it was. Straight off the back, the Turbski.
We should try to grind it. I think we're gonna have to reuse that clamp.
Yeah?
The bolt fell right here. We can clean this up and Annie sees it. And we can grind that, like, flange down a bit. It's a little kind
So does that piece up there though need to come off? Like it goes right to the back of the turbo?
No, it should go to that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's just a straight elbow right off the back of the turbo.
Oh.
And then it should bolt right to that. Like, the flange should flange right up to that flangio.
You're the wizard.
Flangios.
This thing's meant for an 05 though.
Bolts right to the turbo, the tornado dispenser. And that's where all the tornadoes come out.
Bolts right to the whistle device. Oh, I need a lift kit so I don't have to bend my back down.
Well, it's a lot better doing it in there than fucking on your back.
Look at that.
Alright, let's find the first piece of the puzzle right here. old fucking shit balls.
How's your down bite?
Are you sure that's... This seems awfully close to the...
Might be.
Oh no, I guess so.
Well, you got to think, this is just cut, right? This wasn't...
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to line up.
Oh, yeah. The shape.
Right?
Yeah.
I just
see
want to
what
make sure
you're
this
saying.
was in the... Like, because it looked awfully close, but it is.
A little thicker, no?
A little? It's just going to be like...
A little tick there now, I think.
Do you want to clean up that side of the turbo a little bit?
If you think we should, I think so. Whatever you think, man. You're the master. Look at that, man. He said it was a sister company, but she's still branded.
So, it would be that, then just straight. Then this goes over the axle,
Axle dumper.
and then this is the tailpipe.
And that's the straight section there, is it, in the middle?
Yeah, and then this, that goes over the axle.
Oh.
Tailpipe.
Yeah. But I was tripping. I thought these all had to be welded, but I guess where the clamps go, you just clamp them on with it.
The hangers, I think, bolt to the frame. Or they go... Or they bolt onto the pipe. Yeah, see, they bolt to the clamp.
Oh, okay. That's men.
Like that. Like that.
She's warm in here, dude. It's like Florida.
I know, we can turn that heater
No,
off.
it's alright. I'll just take my
This
sweater off.
heater's pumping.
I'll just get stark naked here. I'll get stark naked. Hold on.
It's the most fucking work I've done all day.
Is it?
Pretty much. Well, let me get this cleaned up. We'll get the downpipe in first. Then we can start figuring out where the clamps go on
Yeah.
for the hangers. Buddy, it's gonna be fucking nasty.
Hey?
It's gonna be fucking nasty. I'm gonna clean this board a little bit.
She's dripping. She's wet.
Oh my god. Oh!
Blew apart.
Oh,
What is
you-
that there? Transmission line?
Where?
That's making it like a pain in the
Here?
ass? What
That's
is
the
it?
dipstick tube.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Fuck, put that there, dummies.
February. So like your eye exam, your glasses, fucking claim it to that.
Yeah. Well, we're in the middle of putting exhaust on here. Do we need to talk about what my benefits cover right now or no?
Yeah, it was important because it was on my mind and I would have forgot.
Okay. Well, you're all that matters anyway.
I know. Goodbye.
You're on YouTube.
That's lovely, but I still am all that matters. Goodbye.
Okay, love you. You're gonna hate this truck. Bye.
I already do.
No, you don't. You love it. Shakes the bean. It's close.
It is fucking close, isn't it?
Is it through that thingy all the way
She's
or no?
slimy in there. It's
I
gonna
know.
be burning the pipe right off.
I know. Like, when I first grabbed it, I'm like, ew, what's in this? It's like oil doused.
I don't know. It's weird. Maybe that has to be like bent a little bit.
I had to get it on like a super weird fucking angle to get it out. Maybe
Well, it's right there.
yeah.
Watch your foot.
Maybe it's just a matter of fucking just wiggling it. And when, or I guess it's got to be like close because that fucking thing's so skinny. Eh?
Unless I gotta clean it more. Like clean around here a bit more. It looks a little shitty. Maybe I gotta grind it a bit more around there.
Couple drinks, couple cigarettes, or couple drinks. I can just leave it like this now. It's good enough.
Yeah.
Hood stack it.
Oh, we gotta get that fucking clamp on for sure.
Holy shit.
That's the start.
She's toasty in here, Lord Thunder. If I was here all day, I'd be in a fucking bikini.
I think it's gotta go up more.
Like that?
No, the other way.
Let it be down, dummy.
Yeah. Well,
like it can't be into this, right? It can't be into this cross member, whatever the hell that is. Like, I can't really tell, but from here it looks close. I just can't tell
Or I
how
wonder
flush it is.
if you gotta turn the flange on the fucking turbo here. Like twist it a little bit to line it up perfect.
Maybe, but it still seems kind of weird, no? Like, why the fuck would you have to do that?
If you look from this side, you can see what I'm. If you look up from here, you can see like it's right lined up, but it's like this far away.
It's right lined up, but it's not. Oh yeah. Jeez, I'm gonna blow me back out trying to see that. Oh. Thunder. Yeah, it's not flush. That's buddy, it's like right there.
I know.
Maybe you're right, maybe it's just a bit of shit on there. What if you hold it up and we tap it with the hammer?
Well, I could try to just clean it a bit and then see if it goes.
Or we could just beat it into place, one of the two. you tell me.
That's not
You're the wizard, man. I work construction. When stuff don't work, we just whack it harder until it does.
Just get a bigger hammer.
Yeah, bigger hammer. Watch my eyes.
You're seeing balls.
Go across. My what?
You're seeing balls.
Watch your eyes, boy.
I got my safety squints.
Safety squints?
Yeah.
Guys they can't even see.
Oh yeah?
Thing ain't gonna start after this.
Better fucking start.
She'll start, don't worry.
Pulling it out.
It's old goat. She run old motor oil. She don't care. She don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care. Don't give a damn.
See, it wants to go right there.
You want me to tap it a bit with a fucking hammer?
I'm gonna have to turn it.
Huh?
I'm gonna have to turn this pipe.
Think so?
Yeah.
What if you get it right close and I just give it a little love tap, like right there?
I don't know.
Where'd my hammer go? Nothing?
No, it's like it's not.
Because you're fighting the hanger, right? Want me to tap it?
Why is it not fucking going right in there?
Spit on it, maybe.
like right there.
You got any KY?
Yeah, right beside you.
Spray a little KY on there.
It's honey poo.
Honey poo?
The other stuff.
This one?
Yeah.
Honey goo.
That'll get you where you want to go. Yeah, this one we might have to fucking heat up.
Shit.
Give me some of that spray, the pink shit.
Pink shit?
Yeah.
What's this one? Pets.
This is the penetration.
Penetrator?
Mm-hmm. Oh, great.
Stripped right out?
Yeah. Well, that's not gonna fucking work.
What, it stripped the nut out?
It fucking broke. It wasn't even fucking that. This thing's like powerless. But I don't think it's gonna move. I wonder if that other clamp will work for there.
You need a bigger bar, no?
Need a bigger hammer. What a bitch.
Kyle snapped the nut off.
Snapped her, bud.
Snapped her.
There we go. Now it's off. We're welding her.
Huh?
We're gonna weld her on.
What are you gonna do that for?
Straight piped.
No. I
Weld
got
it.
4 cats on this truck.
Meow.
Yeah. What is it?
Turbo clamp I broke.
Why'd you break it?
I don't know.
Hey.
Didn't mean to.
Oh man.
For fuck's sakes.
Don't you have a nut you put on there?
You can't even turn this. It's got the little nips.
All that was for nothing.
Yep. Fucking sweating.
So you broke the clamp for nothing.
Yeah. Sorry.
He's used to working on old 12 valves.
Yeah.
None of this modern stuff. None of this common rail junk.
We're fucked now, bud. Just gonna have to weld it.
It's gonna be fucked now.
Weld it solid.
Yeah, right. It'll blow right
It'll
out.
never come off if I
Yeah.
weld it.
Yeah, because it'll be welded to the block.
Oh god.
Right there. That's where it goes. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, well, I guess back to the drawing board. Plan B.
What's plan C? Scrap the truck.
Plan C is we're towing it out of here.
Yeah. Plan C is I'm going to the beer store.
Yeah, no, we can't put a new fucking bolt in it.
Why? Because you snapped her off flush?
Oh, maybe. Not really.
Dicked it.
So I gotta get that off. Oh.
Ducks.
It's Brecken barking spiders.
Got her right dinked now.
So I guess we just gotta force it in there somehow, because it can only go in one direction. For fuck's sakes.
What if we did what we did before and we just beat it on it, you hit it on the thing, I hold it in the back and just wiggle
Like,
it in?
it was on the one side, but the other side, on the passenger side, there was still like a 1/4 inch gap. So the clamp won't go over it. So I thought if we could just turn that front section of the pipe a little.
Oh, those are the good ones.
Oh yeah, with my muscles, buddy.
Parmesan. Oh, the one from your truck? No, sir.
No?
I don't know. Maybe the nut'll work if the fucking clamp don't.
It's kind of a different phalangio. It's close.
What, they never taught you that the fucking exhaust got little titty nipples on them in school? I have a cookie here. Make it work, you're a wizard. Can't even have a cookie around here. Guy's a friggin' slave driver. What the frick? This little oil pan's mint. Buddy, holy shit. $14 liters. Or maybe it's 13, I can't remember. I go pull the cap here. You got any rags or what? Or you want me to just wipe my hands? You want me to just wipe my hands in your overalls?
There's a whole bin right there, a whole bag.
Whose coat? I did cut her.
You didn't fucking cut her enough.
I'll go. Why can't it just fall out through the bottom there?
Because there's fucking cables and shit.
There you go. Stupid bitch.
That works.
Shannon's gonna be right pissed with my good Carhartt shirt. Oh, she's pissed. Don't watch this video. Jesus. She's right already. Huh?
Whoa.
What'd you say?
Cookies are garbage.
Cookies I had were some good. Fucking thing leaking oil right in my fucking eyeball. Huh? Junk filter because they didn't have what I wanted. Oh no, on the glasses. Fuck. And the camera. Holy shit. OSHA be right pissed when they see this video. Anyway, I got the eye lube out. A little bit of 15W40 in my eyeball. Probably not the best thing.
Oh, it's good for it.
Huh?
It's good for it.
They blink real easy now. It's like extra lube.
Yeah.
Okay, filter's on. Plug's done. I'll fill the oil up when you're done here flanging around.
This pipe's back on. It just needs to be tightened.
You want me to get you the tool there and we'll break
Where
it off
was
again?
it?
I think it's down under. I come from the land down under. I ain't walking down there again. I'll just go like this. Yeah, I see it. You need it?
Yeah.
Fuck's sakes. You're supposed to say no, I don't need that. Stupid friggin' tool that broke it. Woo. Here you go, Bo Bandy. You want me to lay it across the positive and negatives there for you?
Probably not. I need you to put it in forward drive though. Ow.
Give me it.
I got it.
I only see it in the right eye anyway. Snap.
Yeah, let's not snap it.
I'm surprised because that thing seems so small.
Right?
How many horse torques are in that?
40 foot-pounds, baby.
40 foot-pounds. Is that going to be enough for that?
It was enough to snap the old one.
Yeah, but that's because it was cooked on. Is 40 horse torques enough for that?
I don't want to break the new one. I think it'll be all right.
All right, you're the wizard. Oh, there's a speck of oil on this, so the whole video's ruined. The whole video's ruined.
We're back to square one now. Look at your arm.
I went down there and I went right under everything.
Your elbow's deep, bud. Elbows deep.
I gotta call Uber. Can't even drive truck home too dirty. Well, sure, when it's shooting in 4K. Okay, I'm just gonna get a little clip of you here. And then the next clip is gonna be the truck done because we're out of battery, boys. We're out of battery. I can't see out of my left eye.
We're almost there.
I got my eyeliner done.
Oh. Drop my nuts.
Is that right or no?
That's fucking right on.
Look at the goat beard. Billy Goat. Dime bag Daryl. You should have came with us to see Pantera again, Kyle.
When did you go now?
I'm going in the 26th of this month.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Okay, we're almost out of battery. We got 15%, but I'll show you where we're to. We just got the last part of the tailpipe here left. The muffler, the cat. And we're good.
Oh, fuck yeah, bud. Oh, yeah, sorry.
What?
Frig yeah.
Oh, I don't give a fuck. Is that the wife?
Uh-oh. I swear to God, Cameron. Hello? Oh.
Okay, bye.
Hopefully Cameron's not coming out right now.
Who's that? Oh,
My son.
Give her the onion. Give her the beans.
Okay. How's that look?
You tell me, wizard.
Looks good, brother.
Okay. Hey, what the hell are you doing down there?
Holy shit, you scared the fuck out of me.
You're gonna burn the airbags out.
I'm gonna burn something.
Watch your ear,
Ready? Ready.
Dump truck fucking exhaust. Okay, I gotta make sure this is good, and then we'll do some sound clips outside before the phone's dead. Can't have nothing nice around here.
How you cool off.
Is that nice?
Oh, it's so nice.
Woo! Now I can't even go out and get a sound clip. They're fucking pissing. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Completely change of pace here. No ice, so we got to work on trucks now. But yeah, this might be the way we're gonna go with this channel. Just everyday stuff we do, film it and make videos out of it. I know it sucks it's not fishing, but is what it is. Kieran's gonna hate this truck now when he sees it. Anyways guys, till the next one, thanks for watching. Do whatever you want. Don't really care. Okay, brother, do whatever you want.
We're good to go.
Like, subscribe, whatever. We don't give a fuck anyway. Thank you.
Peace.
Truck wizard.